Meet the most adorable and enormous airplane by Airbus, the Beluga XL that is always smiling. It's a beluga whale-inspired mega cargo plane, and while it may look friendly, it has some serious muscle. The Beluga XL is powered by two Rolls-Royce Trent 700 aircraft engines. The mighty aircraft measures 206 feet in length and 26 feet in width. In other words, it's as long as two blue whales put together. Built with a lowered cockpit, the cargo bay structure and the rear end and tail were newly developed, thanks to a collaborative effort with Airbus partners. This gives the aircraft its unique look and distinguishes it from the rest. The Beluga XL unfortunately isn't designed for passengers, which would have been especially cool for beluga-loving little kids. Instead, it was designed to transport aircraft components, which is fitting considering it has the largest cargo bay of any civil or military aircrafts flying today. The Airbus Beluga XL can carry two A350XW wings, compared to the Beluga ST, which can only carry one. With over 2 decades of dependable service, the Beluga carries complete sections of Airbus aircraft from different production sites around Europe to the final assembly lines in Toulouse, France and Hamburg, Germany. It has a maximum payload of 51 tons or 7 fully grown elephants, and it has a range of 4,000 kilometers or 2,200 nautical miles. Equipped with a modern flight deck, which is in worldwide operation on Airbus A300 to 600s and A310s, the Beluga XL is operated by a 3-member crew consisting of 2 pilots and a loadmaster. The main instrument panel includes 6 CRT displays that provide uninterrupted flight, navigation and system monitoring information. The cockpit is equipped with controls for a transportable heating module that can be installed in the main deck cargo compartment. The module provides temperature control conditions for sensitive payloads it transports, such as satellites and paintings. On January 9, 2020, the Beluga XL entered full-time service. It provides Airbus with 30% extra transport capacity and supports the ongoing production ramp-ups of commercial aircraft programs. The Airbus Beluga XL will operate from 11 destinations in Europe. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.